this final video, we're going to perform our track in real time and record the results straight into Cubase. To recap, we've got a multi-output drum machine with individual outputs piped into separate AXR4 channels. Then, there are several analog and digital hardware synths and instruments also running into the AXR4's inputs, all providing additional elements to the track. So we have the 12 signals, all coming in via the AXR4's 12 inputs. Let's hit record in Cubase and record in these signals as we perform the track on the fly. Now we're done, you can see the signals printed to audio on Cubase channels. From here we can edit audio and refine the mix to taste. This overview of Steinberg's AXR4 has shown you how powerful and capable this audio interface is when acting as the hub of a typical hardware studio setup. But of course, it's equally as powerful as the centerpiece of a professional multi-track recording environment or high-end mastering facility. Be sure to check out the AXR4 over at Steinberg's website, www.steinberg.net.